Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your pet training with Petco, beginner guide step by step clearly. Upgrading your pet training can be both exciting and rewarding. Start by evaluating your pet's current training level. Identify specific skills or behaviors you wish to improve. Gather essential supplies such as treats, a leash, and training aids. Visit the Petco website or your nearest store for resources. Explore the range of training classes offered, which are suitable for different skill levels. Consider enrolling in online classes if you prefer a flexible schedule. Look for local trainers certified by Petco for personalized instruction. Plan a training schedule that fits your lifestyle and your pet's needs. Begin with basic commands like sit, stay, and come. Practice consistently to reinforce learning and build your pet's confidence. Use positive reinforcement techniques to encourage good behavior. Monitor your pet's progress and adjust your training methods as needed. Incorporate playtime to keep training fun and engaging. Utilize Petco's training resources, including videos and articles, for additional guidance. Connect with other pet owners in Petco community events for support and tips. Stay patient and persistent, as training takes time and dedication. Celebrate small victories to motivate yourself and your pet along the journey. Remember, upgrading your pet training is a continuous process. Enjoy the bond that develops as you both learn together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.